Hi, my name is Rydzewski. I'm the mixologist for Eden, and tonight we're going to be making the Love Potion cocktail, which will be perfect to complete your Valentine's Day evening plans. Right, so first thing we're going to do is take our shaker. We're going to add all of our ingredients into the large side. We have 1 3/4 ounces of tequila, half an ounce of Rosé wine syrup, half an ounce of prickly pear puree, 3/4 ounces of fresh squeezed lemon and lime juice blend, 3/4 ounces of Saint Germain. Now at this point it's completely optional, but if you'd like to add 1 fresh egg white, what this will do is give the cocktail a nice foamy head, as well as give it a silky and smooth texture to the drink as well. So before we add any ice, what you want to do is a dry shake, which will kind of pre-froth up that egg white. Now we're going to add our ice. Make sure your shaker is sealed up nice and tight, and we're going to shake it until it gets nice and chilled to the point where you almost can't hold it anymore. Take a chilled martini or coupe glass, and what you want to do is double strain into that to get out any of the bits of ice. Now for a little decoration on top, we're going to add some wild dried rose petals, and then a few concentrated drops of Angostura bitters in 3 separate spots. And then just pass the sharp end of a skewer or a toothpick through that to make a heart design. And there you go, cheers.